When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I thought I'd sit down and just do like a voiceover on some of the top Amazon products that I have received. So I placed my first ever Amazon order and I just wanted to show you guys what I received, and I hope you enjoyed the video. All links will be down below, so if you want to purchase anything, let's get straight into the video and let's see what Amazon products I got. Okay guys, so here's the first thing I got. I got this double wall coffee cup, which, oh my god, it looks so cool, but at the same time it keeps your coffee or whatever you're having warm for about an hour. It's amazing, so I definitely recommend this. Okay, so the next thing is metal straws. These are very popular and I'm all about Save the Turtles. So this one came in a pack of 13, I believe, but 2 of them were actually for cleaning the metal straws, which is amazing. But these look cool and they just, I don't know, they're just amazing. And I know they're going to be very popular in my family, and they're great because they come in different sizes for smoothies or just normal juice. Okay, so the next thing I got is a new Apple Watch band, and I didn't have €50 or whatever it is to buy a brand new Apple one, so I decided to have a look on Amazon, and surprisingly I found an absolute great deal for like €4, and I got a new black Apple Watch band. And I really think it's important to update these just because they can get really nasty. Like, have a look at my old white one, there's the comparison. No thank you. So I got a brand new one and I think it looks great, and it, you know, it feels so soft, so I think this is a great thing to look into too if you have an Apple Watch. Okay guys, so the next thing is an SC7 cable. Now I use this cable so I can use my external microphone on my laptop and my phone, because if I don't have it I can only use it with my camera. So this is great, it makes my podcasting and voiceovers so much easier and so much quicker. Okay, so the last thing I'd like to share with you guys is this amazing hard drive wire. I got it for my Lacy hard drive, just meaning that I can move around, do whatever I want. My hard drive will stay connected, made my editing so much quicker, so I definitely recommend it. Hey guys, what's up? So just wanted to give you guys a little update, because I know for myself, like, you can get an order and you can be really happy, and then you notice like 3 seconds later, after you're showing everyone that, oh my god, look, it's falling apart or something. So let's talk about the cup. So the cup is amazing. I'm balancing you guys on it right now. It looks very cool. Definitely want you to have a look into getting more of those because I just think it's an amazing product. They are a little bit expensive though, I'm not gonna lie. They're probably like between €9 to €12 for one. It does come with a little lid, so it keeps your coffee warm without the lid, but it obviously just keeps it a bit warmer when the lid's on. So definitely gonna get more of them because I just think it's a great thing to have around the house. They look cool for parties or whatever. Okay, and then the metal straws are amazing. Just haven't really got to use them a lot, but from what I have used them with smoothies and juices, they have been amazing. The different sizes are very good. I've noticed, like, with the smoothies I like to have the bigger one, I suppose. For some reason I like to drink coffee and tea with metal straws or just normal straws. I don't know why. I really love the way there's different sizes for whatever you want, if it's from drinking your tea or coffee to drinking a smoothie. And I know a lot of people do not drink their tea and coffee with straws. Doesn't matter, the different sizes are definitely good, and they're playing football. And then the 2 wires, for example, they're doing great, and I'm editing faster with the hard drive because of I have more flexibility, because with the other wire I had to like put it in a certain position and get something to put it under the wire to make it like, you know what happens when a wire is broken and it has to be in a certain place for it to work. That was the problem with the hard drive wire, and I really hated it. Thought it was the hard drive. I was like, you know what, I'll spend a tenner on a hard drive wire, see if it fixes the problem. Oh my god, it has. I can just sit on my couch and get it done, and it's amazing. The microphone wire is amazing. I'm actually using my G7 Next because I didn't want to get the big bulky camera out. I usually use this microphone, I'm not using it right now. But this wire here is amazing. I can plug this part into my iPad. It's so much easier to do basically because I don't have to be recording my podcast into my camera. For the Apple Watch, here we are. It's amazing. It looks so good. Like, I'm so happy with it. Like, it just looks so nice. But yeah, I just wanted to pop on here and talk to you guys about how I'm getting on with everything. And to be honest, everything I got, I had a great experience with. Okay guys, so that is it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I had so much fun making it because I just showed you guys what I got off Amazon. Hopefully you found a thing or two that you could get yourself. Again, everything should be linked down below, so make sure to check it out. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.